Okay, in this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about blog interaction and how we can gain link exposure through commenting and interacting on blogs related to your website. That being said, the first thing that you have to do is actually find a blog to interact with. So the first step is going to Google. And what we're going to do is use a variety of search queries to actually find these blogs. So one search string that I like to use is pretty simple. You can see right here I've already done an example where you do site : and we're going to look for .coms. So you're going to put .com space, then you're going to put in URL : and we want to find blogs, so we're going to put blog here in quotes and then plus, and then whatever the content is that you're looking for, or the keyword. So in this case I'm going to look for cable TV shows, but this could be anything. If you were looking for blogs related to dog training, you would put dog training here. If you were looking for blogs related to hunting tips, you would put hunting tips here. So in this case, again, I did cable TV shows, and when you do that, you're going to see like this specific search returned about 12,000 results. So just in this one search, we have a lot of opportunity to find blogs that are related to cable TV shows that we can interact with and hopefully gain some link exposure for our website. So what you're going to want to do is just go through these listings and try to basically find a blog that looks relevant, that it's something that you can interact with and will help you, will let you leave a comment. So as an example, I thought this was an interesting article. Microsoft introduces cable TV shows for Xbox 360, and I clicked on it, and over here you can see that here's the article, and this one is fairly short, but once you do this, the next step is actually read the blog post that you're going to interact with. Read it, digest the material, that way you can leave an insightful comment. The longer the blog post is, you may want to take notes just so you don't have to keep referring back to it. Any notable quotations that you see within the blog post, note that as well. Again, that just shows that you actually read the post and you're not purely commenting on the blog to try and get a link back to your site. So once you've read through the post, and in this case I've already read it, you're going to go down and look to see where you can leave a comment. So here you can see it's going to say add new comment, and this particular comment platform is powered by Discus. So what we're going to do is refer to our notes, refer to what we just read up here in the actual blog post, and then come up with something that's actually insightful and contributes to the website. So again, we're interacting with the website. You don't want to leave just a one-liner or something that doesn't make sense, or just, you don't want to just say, oh, great blog post, or something general like that will tend to get denied by the blog moderator. So as you can see, I put together a pretty lengthy post. Here's a couple sentences, and sometimes it'll require you to do research. You may not know off the top of your head about the topic, so after you've read it and have taken notes, go ahead and do some research to find what information you can include in your comment that's going to help get your comment approved, and add good content to the website for whoever this blog writer is. So in this case, I mentioned a few different things that they talk about in the blog, and then also just added some insight of my own at the end here. So once you've done that and you feel good about what you've written, you can go ahead, and in this case you can see here it says post as, so we're going to click that, and it's going to ask for your email. So you're just going to go ahead and put in whatever your email address is, and then for your name, there's a few different ways you can do this. You don't want to just straight up put your keyword in. For example, if this keyword if we're building links for Xfinity .wedocable.com, we don't want to just put Xfinity like this in the in the name box, because that kind of looks a little suspicious. So one thing you can do is put your name and then do an @ symbol, and then just put your a keyword like that. In this case it says link to your website, so we're gonna go ahead and put in this case I'm building links for this site here, and then the next thing you're gonna do is post, and you can see right here that it shows up. My name is right here, and if I hover you can see down in the left hand corner that it says xfinity.wedocable.com. Once it's been approved, a cool thing to do is go to a website like pingomatic.com, and you can actually ping this URL. So let's see, the name of this blog is T3KD. So we're going to put blog name T3KD, and this says blog homepage, but what we're actually going to do is take this link, to this specific blog post, copy it, and paste it right here. Let's see. Then you're going to come down on where it says services to ping. You're going to go ahead and just check all. You can leave specialized services unchecked, and then do send pings. It says pinging complete, and these feeds here have been notified that there's been an update on this page. Alright, let's go ahead and do another example. I'm going to go back and replace the keyword here with something like online videos. And in this case, what we can do is build links for a website related to our internet services or something of that nature. So I'm going to read through. Let's just try the first link here. And you can see the name of this blog, connecting to consumers via online videos. And I'm going to go ahead first, before I read it, and make sure that I can leave a reply or a comment, which in this case I can, you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and take a second to read through this article. Name, again, we're going to do your name, and then we'll do, in this case, we want to build a link to the internet page. So we're going to do that. We're going to put our email address in, and then we're going to actually direct this link to the internet page, which is this URL here. Gonna go ahead and fill out the CAPTCHA, and then down here go ahead and write our comment. So here's an example. It's showing us what it's going to look like, but right here you can see it says your comment is awaiting moderation. So this is an example where you're going to go ahead and take this URL right here and record it in a spreadsheet, and then come back later to check and see if your comment has been approved. And then once it's been approved, you can go through the same process of taking this URL and going to pingomatic.com and filling out the information that pertains to this particular blog, and then pinging that website. So that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, feel free to send me an email, and thanks for watching.